तू पकड़ा है ना, मैं नहीं पकड़ा। समस्या नहीं है, अलग जो डिजाइन वही some space. शिवाजी यहाँ पे, शिवाजी इधर, यहाँ पे कुणाल सर, इधर 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 ऐसा यहाँ पे सर साथ में, सर एक साथ में शिवाजी साथ में और वेट सेंटर में कुणाल सर, अब उधर भी सेंटर, शिवाजी सेंटर माझा कुठे कधी कार भार please come forward. Shivaji, थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ ना। कुणाल सर, Shivaji please. Very nice. Shivaji right में both of you.
Also, I would like to thank the people that made this event possible. With a smile, our supporter, Mr. and Mrs. Khate, Zara Murani and Sunayog, Arya Bhatt, Penalty and Vistas, MyPetShop.in and Captain Zach for their lovely stuff for the doctors, goodie bags, Soulstar for supporting us 2 years in a row, providing discount coupons for all visitors so they can enjoy high quality, cruelty-free, beauty and healthy products. People who are taking pictures, kindly switch off your flash and they've also taken animals home. They're always ever ready to help us with photos, with shoots, with Instagram posts, with Facebook posts. And we're always so grateful for their help. Soha's newest achievement is her book, The Perils of Being Moderately Famous. We have that. As you can see, they both have a deep love for animals, whether it's puppies or kittens or anything that we ask them to help with. I'm now going to give the mic to them. Why you support the cause, why you think it's important, anything that you think that the media and all of us need to do.
Hi, I know, firstly congratulations for putting on this wonderful event and giving me the most ideas of being here. Through information, I'm glad that we found Caroline and Ruchi when we did, because there are so many times that I've been, you drive in your car and you look at a puppy or you look at a dog in need or an animal, you always wonder what's the right thing. But with World for All, with World for All, once I met them, I knew that if there was ever an animal in need, and if I called them, they were always there. But it went beyond that. It's not just about helping an animal in need. They understand that right now there are so many issues that they are facing. I mean, number one thing that what I support them for is sterilization. That's how we can keep the population in check. Adoptions are something again that are great. Like I had a beagle puppy, which I bought from a breeder. But then when I met them, we adopted 2 dogs from them. One we named Mishti and one we named Nifty, who are amazing, who are lovely. And one thing you should always know is, the strays are actually slightly more genetically stronger and less prone to diseases. They love you as much if it's companionship that you're looking for. And I mean, look at those puppies, they all look cute, and once they grow up, you love them anyways. And another message that we want to give is, do not just get a puppy or a kitten because you think they're cute, because they are. But that's not the only reason. It's a big responsibility that you have to be up for. And if you are willing to give all that love, affection and support, only then do it wisely. And if you need any help, these guys are there, they're amazing. And they tell you everything. And I'm now missing my puppies who now disappeared from cage. I'll let Sohan go.
Hi guys, I wasn't paying attention at all because I was completely distracted for the past 10 minutes. But I'm sure all of you know that Kunal and I come here for the annual Adopt-a-thon every year. We've been associated with World for All for quite some time now, and we know that they do wonderful work. We see you also every year, so we know that the media supports this cause, and we thank you for doing that. With your support, we can really raise awareness. This is, of course, firstly for a 2-day Adopt-a-thon that's happening here at St. Teresa's Boys School in Bandra, where there are 180 kittens and puppies up for adoption. The dogs are going. The kittens, we really need people to adopt some kittens. They're very cute. They range in age and size, and they're all adorable. They're all looking for their forever homes. As to why adopt, I mean, the message is obvious. You can save a life. That's pretty clear. There are a lot of stray puppies, dogs, cats and kittens on the roads that we see in Mumbai. It's a cause that speaks for itself. So not only can you save a life, but as we dog and cat lovers like to say, that they also save us. They also give us so much back, so much unconditional love. We really enjoyed Mishti and Yamki over the past couple of years. We have 4 adopted dogs in Pagodi as well that not only provide security, but also give us a lot of love and enjoyment. Now, of course, we have a little daughter at home as well, and we want to bring her up surrounded by pets, dogs, cats, tortoises, peacocks, anything you can think of. As Kunal said, as Richie said, please open your hearts, open your homes to these animals. They need you. As Kunal said, they are also very healthy. They've been looked after by World for All, so you know that they've been neutered, you know that they've been cleaned, you know that, and you can see how temperamental friendly they are. So all of that is already checked for you, which is something that World for All does. So you can rest assured that you're getting a good dog or cat. The other thing that I love about adoption now is that it's become a status symbol. It's become the cool and the right thing to do. And I like that that philosophy is now catching on. Everybody wants something that is unique, something that is distinctive, something that is made just for you or customized. And I think that's what I love about adopting one of these animals. There's only one of them in the world like that. So that's what I love about it. So please, as I said, open your hearts to them. And if you can't open your hearts, there are so many other ways that you can support World for All. They're always looking for money and donations because all of this work costs money, as you can imagine, whether it's vaccinations, whether it's ambulances, whether it's the support staff that they need. If you don't have the money, you can give your time. You can volunteer your services as well because they're always looking for people. So there's so much that you can do. So even if you can't adopt, foster. If you can't foster, then donate money, donate your services. Do whatever you can as the media just help spread the message as well. And thank you all for being here.
Just quickly, I'd like a few lines on, so World for All as an organization is now focusing very heavily to mainly control the population of the strays in Mumbai. Let me tell you that it is illegal to relocate any animals from societies or compounds. What can be done is animals can be vaccinated and sterilized. World for All is the only organization with the largest cat spay program in Mumbai, and we're very proud of it. We just asked Sohan Kunal to say a few lines on why spay-neuter is important and why it is important to control the population. We can go on with adoption for centuries and centuries. We'll always have enough puppies and kittens, but it's important to control their population humanely.
I think that's exactly what you said. That's exactly what you said, Richie. Of course, we can continue adopting, but the idea is that the solution at the end of the day is spaying and neutering. So whereas a lot of people debate this issue and you feel that perhaps this is a choice that you're taking away from the dogs and the cats, we understand that the right thing to do, especially when it is a problem like this and the population of stray dogs and cats are growing on the streets, putting their own lives in danger in various states all over India. The right thing to do would be to spay and neuter. So that is something that World for All is focusing their efforts on, and that's certainly something that we support them for. We always spay and neuter our own, and we encourage you to do the same.
We would like to thank Book a Smile for supporting this initiative completely. This would have not been possible without them. We'll open the floor for a few questions from the media now.
their calendar is the annual Adopt-a-thon, जो एशिया का सबसे बड़ा Adopt-a-thon होता है. यहाँ पे 180 puppies, kittens हैं जो अपने हम उसको forever home बुलाते हैं, जहाँ पे वो जाके बस सकते हैं. So what we're saying here is not only are you saving a life, but they're also saving your life because the love that they give you, unconditional love जो आपको मिलता है from a pet, whether it's a dog or a cat. I don't know if you've experienced it or not, but it's the most beautiful thing. हमने World for All से अभी 2 डॉगीज अडॉप्ट किए हैं, मिष्टी और निमकी, जो मेरी माँ के साथ हैं दिल्ली में. इस साल तो our hands are full with Inaya, but we have Masti at home, who's now 10 years old. So hopefully next year, another little puppy to grow up with Inaya.
Update. This one is adopted.
Yay! The puppy that is in Kunal's arms.
Just got adopted and we're very happy that has happened.
So this World for All Adopt-a-thon is happening at St. Teresa's Boys School in Bandra. आज Saturday almost खत्म हो गया है, फिर कल पूरा Sunday को भी यहाँ पे चलेगा. And the kittens are looking for their homes. There's some dogs, there's some puppies, and there are also some older dogs. And it's good to adopt an older dog as well because I think they're already set in their ways. You don't have to worry about toilet training them. Their temperaments are also established. So it's nice. It's nice to have them as well. हर पेट के साथ एक अलग मेमोरी होती है. जैसे हमारे पास थ्रू द एजेस अलग अलग किस्म के कुत्ते आए हैं, गए हैं. Some of them have been bred dogs, some of them have been adopted. But especially I think निमकी और मिष्टी के साथ जो World for All के ही हैं, उनके साथ बहुत सारी मेमोरीज जुड़े हैं क्योंकि मेरी माँ जो पहले कहती थी कि मुझे घर पे कुत्ता नहीं चाहिए, मुझे पसंद नहीं है, वो आज अब बिलीव नहीं करते हैं. लेकिन उनके बेडरूम में मिष्टी निमकी दोनों उनके साथ उनके बिस्तर पे सोते हैं. तो she's come a long way from being someone who didn't like dogs to sleeping with them and loving them so much.
Ma'am, do you think love for these pets should be extended to all animals?
Of course, I believe in I really am an animal lover. It's not just dogs and cats. It's also the animals in your wildlife, whether it's tigers, whether it's leopards, whether it's birds. I do believe that love should be extended to all members of the animal kingdom. I think it's wonderful. I mean, Taranesh's World for All has been updating us, like you said, in a matter of a few hours. So many puppies are getting adopted. I know that the kittens, we're looking for more people to adopt kittens. And kittens and cats are so easy. Dogs require some love and attention. Kittens and cats really look after themselves. So we're encouraging people to step out and adopt some kittens today. I haven't released it yet. I would like to say कि वो 10 तारीख को दुकानों में होंगी and Amazon ऑलरेडी आप प्री ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं उसको. नाम है The Perils of Being Moderately Famous. I think that you should buy it. It's a light and breezy read, और I hope that you guys will enjoy it. These are different hats that I'm wearing. One is that of an actor, one is that of a mother, one is that of a producer now. और बहुत excited हैं कुणाल और मैं कि हम राम जेठमलानी की कहानी जल्द ही जल्द आप बड़े पर्दे पर देख पाएंगे. It's a biopic and it's an incredible story. Thank you.
Another wish added to the Christmas wish tree. A big round of applause. Send queries to email ID info@worldstall.co. So you will be updated with all activities, events and volunteering as well. We have a lovely Christmas wish tree at the help desk. You can help fulfill wishes of our
हाँ डेजी में मिले डेजी दीरा लेफ्ट में थैंक यू कैमरा बोला मिला चलेगा
World for All would like to extend a warm welcome to Daisy and Rupali. There is a reason that we only get celebrities that really love animals here. Both Daisy and Rupali have a deep love for animals. I don't know if you followed us, you would have seen how much affection. Rupali picks up litters and litters of puppies and gets them adopted. So I think we're really blessed to have these people here. We'd really like to hear from them on why people should adopt Indian breeds and not buy animals, and why you think it's important for this shift to happen this year.
The fact is not within that, all of us have this incline towards foreign imports, be it anything. And it's high time that we really have to take care of our own Indian breed when it comes to animals, because it's not good. Like, I personally don't like seeing dogs, straying outside and somebody's getting hit by the car, or they're literally going into those garbage trucks and seeking for food, and they're just like, it's a very sad side actually.
Very good evening everybody, and thank you so much for coming here. This is like a home event for me. I'm here all the time, every time. I have had only Indian breeds. Because I realized when I was very young that always give a house to the dog who needs us more than we need them. And they are sturdy. They eat everything under the sun. They are fabulous watchdogs. Okay, I have a house, and my house is the only one which does not have a watchman. And I have my 6 dogs there. And mine is the only house which has not been broken into, which is safe. Till date, nobody's broken into my house. Other 165 houses have been broken into, things have been stolen. So I can totally vouch for the ability as watchdogs. And as the most sturdiest breed. And you just have to look in their eyes, yeah. I think all the dogs are nice, but let's adopt Indian, because there are so many societies and there are so many people who keep shunning strays. Like just today, Manini and Veer Mishra, today they are being thrown out of the society in Andheri because they have a dog. So let us just, try and adopt as many Indian breeds so that there are no more strays left on the street. That's the only dream. Thank you so much.
The media and the everybody that follows you, will really listen to what you're saying and follow it, and that's why we're very happy that you're taking this responsibility seriously. Being famous is really great, and it also comes with a responsibility, and we're really glad that you're fulfilling that.
Well, I would personally like to say this, that if you really want to experience love, I think you should adopt a pet.
My request, humble request to all of you, is like, if you can adopt, wonderful. But if you can't adopt, at least start breeding your locality babies, your furry babies around your house. And if you can't even feed them, at least make sure that nobody goes out and hurts them in any way. Just make sure of that. Thank you so much.
We have a small token of gratitude from Book a Smile, our supporters, and Soulflower and World for All. We have something small for you guys coming here and taking time out. And it's small, it's very small. We're really grateful. We hope that this association goes on for many years and it grows into something that is something that you will really cherish and love.
आप बताइए कैमरे के माध्यम से कि क्या लोगों को क्या कहना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमने बहुत दिन पहले दिल्ली में देखा था कि पेट्स को जिस तरह से लोग मार रहे थे और बहुत सारी बातें हुई थी। आप कुछ कहना चाहिए?
आई थिंक जब भी मैं बाहर ट्रैवल करती हूँ मैं देखती हूँ कि एनिमल्स को कितनी बुरी तरह से कुछ लोग ट्रीट करते हैं, जो कि अच्छा नहीं very loyal and they're very true to their masters, and that is what I am in my real life.
And how do you feel about the whole adoptive plan?
You know, to be very honest, I'm coming to an adoption drive for the second time in my life actually, and I'm literally impatient right now to go and see the dogs, because I just had a word with one of my friends here and I said that, you know what, it's okay, I'm just gonna adopt one, I'll go convince my mom anyhow.
Recently you have gone to Big Boss also, how was the
एक्सपीरियंस बिग बॉस के घर के अंदर तो नहीं गए थे, आई मीन स्टेज के ऊपर स्टेज तक ही गए थे. मज़ा आया. नो पूरी टीम एक साथ, रेस की पूरी टीम एक साथ स्टेज पे थी, और हम जब शूट भी कर रहे थे तो हमने बहुत मस्ती की है, और ये खाली शुरुआत है, तो मुझे नहीं पता आगे जाके और कितनी मस्ती होने वाली है. रेस की शूटिंग बहुत अच्छी चल रही है. हमारा मुंबई का स्केड्यूल ख़त्म हो चुका है. नाउ वी आर गियरिंग अप टू शूट इन अबू धाबी.